Hello everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you are good. I am here with my planner layout for February 8th through the 14th. And it's Valentine's Day week, as you can tell. I kind of got carried away, guys. What can I say? But a lot of hearts. Have a lot going on this week, actually. Monday, the 8th, we have, of course, Mixed Media Monday. And then I have the Alice class. And then on Tuesday, Scott and I got to go get our taxes done. Yay! And then on Wednesday, we, of course, Round Robin on BMOS channel. Thursday and Friday are free days so far, but that may change. Saturday is my daughter and son-in-law's wedding anniversary. They'll be married 10 years. Also, Defy is having a sale. I don't have the time for that right now. Hopefully, I can find that out and let you guys know down the road this week. On Sunday, the 14th, is Defy's birthday bash. And I guess that's other gals are all going to be doing different times and videos of certain things. So look out for that on Sunday. But I just got some Valentine washi tape out, a bunch of Dollar Tree stickers I had. And I just kind of did this explosion of the hearts. All about love this week, guys. Love. So I'll bring it up closer and you can kind of see it. So if you have any sales coming up or things happening on your channel and you'd like to let me know, leave them in the comments because I usually pull out my planner and let everybody know what's going on during the week. So as always, guys, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now. And have a good week, everybody. Bye.